Hello and welcome back to Walkman Phones. Today we're going to be unboxing phone soap, which is a product that you can disinfect your phone with. It's become very relevant now, and it will disinfect your phone in a 10-minute cycle and get rid of 99.9% of germs. As we know, phones are some of the dirtiest things that we deal with, and we're constantly dealing with them day to day. So this product aims to charge your phone while at the same time disinfecting it with UVC rays. So today I wanted to look at it and just kind of give you an overview of what comes with the box inside. So we got the little box here. It says Phone Soap 3. This is the third version of it. Was engineered to kill germs using ultraviolet light, making the world cleaner and healthier. Happy sanitizing. Okay. So we'll go ahead and open up the box. It's a pretty simple setup here. We're greeted with this is the device itself. Also in the box, it comes with a power source. Let's see what this is at. 5 volt. So you're basically going to keep this plugged in all the time. They have a version that is portable, that is rechargeable, and I believe you can recharge it, 4 or 5 times before you have to put it back onto plug it back into the wall to get more charges. But this is the standalone version that you plug into the wall, so you can keep it at your house or work or wherever you deem necessary, wherever you want to sanitize the phone the most. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Nice bubble wrap to keep it protected during shipping. And here it is. Kind of heavy, kind of reminds me of the Nintendo Switch a little bit in the case. You can see for size comparison inside the Nintendo Switch case. It's a little bit, Switch is a little bit longer, but other than that, roughly the same size with the Switch in the case. So here it is. In the back, here's where you plug the power cord in. It's got USB and USB-C adapters as well, or plugs. So a little bit of piece of tape here. We'll open it up, show you what's inside. And there you go. It's got some literature in here to kind of explain things a little bit better, give you more information. It explains you plug the phone soap in, place the phone in the center, close the lid, 10 minutes, it is sanitized. It has an indicator light up top. As you can see, that'll turn on when it's charging. Power adapter is included, obviously. You can still hear, now that's the cool part about this, is once you run your charging cable through here, as you can see, got a slot and that can sit right there. As you plug that in, it's got a feature that you can still hear all your notifications and your alerts through here. There's an acoustic pass-through, it calls it. And your warranty information to the side. And here you can see where the lights are. This is one light here and one light here. And the phone sits right down in the middle, as you can see. And this is the Xperia 5 sitting in it, which is a taller phone, so there shouldn't be any issue. It fits all phones for the most part, I believe. So anything wider, like a Note or an iPhone Plus model, it'll hold all of that. It'll hold it with your cases, everything along those lines. Shouldn't be a problem. Also, the nice part about this is you can disinfect your keys, your wallet, money, all sorts of things. Pretty much anything that will fit in this case right here. Right? It's got a little bit of depth to it. Anything that can fit inside this case, you can disinfect. So it's a really nice item to have. You know, I was sitting there and deciding which version of this to get. Now they have bigger versions that are almost like boxes, and they sit taller, and that you can put tablets in, baby bottles, anything you can think of really that could be disinfected, you could put in. For now, I just went with this. This cost about $80, right? And the bigger one, I think the portable one is another maybe $20 or $30. And then the bigger boy is around $200. So they can kind of get a little pricey as you go up. But to disinfect your phone, which is dirty as all get out as we go through the day. And I didn't really want to start getting into microfiber cloth is nice, you know, but those get dirty as well. And I know a lot of people are starting to use different solutions and, you know, bacterial wipes to get on the phone. And I'm not a fan of that, just because I've always been a little weird with wiping my phone down with liquids and wipes because of the oleophobic coating, right? That makes the phone nice and slick feeling. So when you're moving your hand around the glass, it's, you know, frictionless. Now, a lot of people don't mind doing that, to each their own, but for me, I like something that is a solution like this, where I don't need to do anything. I don't need to wipe down the phone and worry about, you know, hurting the oleophobic coating. You can just put it in this for a good 10 minutes and you're good to go. So just wanted to show this off. I think it's a nice product and very relevant right now. You know, everybody's trying to disinfect everything as much as we can. And it's always good to disinfect your phone, I think. And it's something that people don't really think about a whole lot. Like I said, this is around $80 on the Phone Soap website. They're about a month out in terms of shipping. I ordered this one about a month ago, month and a half, and it's just getting to me now. So if you order one now, you get your place in line, it'll show up to you in about a month. There's Betsy. Hi, Betsy. Hi. Okay, so yeah, this has been just a quick unboxing of Phone Soap, and I believe it's a good product for everybody to have in general. And it's nice and compact, and you could just put it in your kitchen or your room or something like that, and throw it in from time to time, you know, once a day, twice a day, however often you think you're running around getting the phone dirty. And it should serve you well. They said the lights on it, I believe, last a couple years. There's a warranty you'd have to read the website. I'm blanking exactly, but the lights last a long while. Lots and lots of charges, thousands and thousands of charges before you even have to think about, changing the UV lights, the UVC lights on the inside. So, yeah, that was just a quick unboxing of Phone Soap, and I will talk to you in the next video. Okay, take care.